Hello everyone, this is John from Data Finance. Welcome back to our channel. We are with you on 16th of March intraday analysis. On this video, we will just cover some news first, then we will just go ahead our charts. All right, first of all, today is the Fed rate decision day, and it's expected to raise the rates 0.25% and also a slight change of 0.50 front loading, as many people just think that not many, but some people think that 0.25 won't be enough to curb the inflation, so we may just hear 0.50 as well on this one, because the next one will be in May, and May can be somehow late for inflation scenario. That's why it's thought this is possible. All right, let's start with our first chart. As you can see here, we are on Ethereum chart, and Ethereum is just on just waiting for news, waiting for decision. So first of all, these assets, Ethereum and cryptos, when dollar index goes up, they are just declining. So interest rate hike is expected to make some impact on dollar index, but after pricing of that one, when we just consolidation in dollar index, then it's expected to rise on upward, because people will just say that, all right, market just priced this one already, just waiting for confirmation of this pricing. Market just priced 0.25 already, and sell-off happened. Now they just want to hear this officially. After this official statement, dollar index is expected to ease a bit, and with that easing, cryptocurrency market and other commodities as well expected to go up. That's the expectation. All right, let's look at our second chart.
You are ready to win with us. GAN Markets.
All right, our second chart is USD Japanese yen. As you can see here, USD Japanese yen is just skyrocketing and going higher. Reason, and all the central banks, developed countries, central banks started to mention about tighter monetary policy. ECB just mentioned, didn't start, but still, if this war scenario didn't happen, they would start earlier than expected for this tightening policy. But Japan is just saying that and repeating that, no, we are not tightening the market. We have 2% interest rate target, and until we just reach that level, we will just keep our ultra loose monetary policy. That's why we see these USD and Japanese yen currency pair on the rise, because dollar index is just rising because of interest rates, but on the other hand, Japanese Bank of Japan is not making any move on tightening. That's why we see a lot of easy monetary policy, and it may just go ahead more and more after this evening Fed rate decision as well. Right now, with the dollar index consolidation, it's just like giving some breaks, but still it's really rising so much, and this level is critical. If it just like a past days, like a 118.400 levels, and then get closer to 119, then we can expect 120 and 121 levels, and that's also on scenario. This level is already like a highest level in the 5 years, for the past 5 years. So it's the scenario, and that's the expected scenario. All right, that was for USD Japanese yen. If you just hear something more tightening, something like a small, even small tightening or stabilizing this devaluation from Japan, then a sell-off, sharp sell-off can be expected. All right, we are on the chart of Tesla. As you know, like the Nasdaq is rebounding so fast these days, and Tesla is just benefiting from these rise. It's getting closer to 800 levels. And next week, important thing, the expected openings of Tesla factories are happening next week on 22nd of March. Giga Berlin is opening. It's official, and then the first 30 Tesla cars will be delivered on that day. And other one, the second factory opening will be, it's probably just not confirmed officially, but like there are a lot of preparing for that one. On 7th of April, it will just open. Then we will see the real consequences of these earning reports in second quarter, because on March 20, it will just take 1 week, and then the produced car will just be delivered to people, but not much. In the second quarter of Giga Berlin and Austin, Texas factory, they will just produce and deliver cars. This is important. And ramp up in Shanghai factory is on the way. Just a slight information, they have been given, like in Shanghai factory, they have given 2 days break because of high COVID numbers. And after 2 days, we will just see it will be longer, or they will just go back to production again. Alright, that was the news. Thank you so much for watching us. If you just hear more news from these Tesla, it will just go back to 1,200 levels again. If it just makes the same level of rise from this point, that makes 50% rise, and also it's a good profit. Thank you so much. Have a nice and profitable day. Bye.